Hello, hello, hello. I just noticed this beautiful weather outside my window. This is amazing. I found a little spotty. Something showed on the Google Maps. It was like abandoned settlement or something. We'll see. It's currently something like that. Real feel it's said to be -12. I think it's a lie. It's not that cold. It's cold, but not that cold. -4. I would agree with -4. Oh, the snow is so fluffy. I love it. It's like where it snows. You just stomp your foot and it just all blows away. It's amazing. I could go down the road, or we can cut a corner here. Probably. So I found a tiny little bit of an off-road, which, in my opinion, should be more fun. Ooh, what is that? Is that a pile of frozen water? That... Okay, let's go. Enough of this childishness. We cut a corner. We did cut a corner. We did not save time or energy, but we cut the corner. And I guess I'm gonna go down the hill. That side. I climbed over here thinking I would cut a little bit more, but it's just fence on the other side. So we're gonna try to walk around it. Huh. There, or there. It's in the middle. Nothing. A crack. I would dare to say that we are here. But damn, it seems so much more open, and like living houses are there. Oop. It seems so much more open than it showed on the Google Maps. Like if I thought there would be so many more trees here. At least I want to climb. At least I want to climb up there. This tiny little bit of hill. And look at this birch tree. Damn, could you imagine that this was climbable? Climbed up here. Now I want to go see what's down there. Okay, nothing that much there. And everything here is too damn steep. I wanted to go there, but it's just... I can't. I just can't.
I simply can't.
It's lucky. What do we have here? Oh, this can be, I don't know, a project for future days to come. Because I think I should be able to get at least somewhere there currently. Maybe later on when I get more skill and I would feel more comfortable, I could do more. That would be so sick to climb up the way to the top. And I think it's doable. Nice. This I think I'm touching. Okay, this is weak. Maybe not that. Oh, it's so slippery.
Obviously.
Now I'm more of a believer of -12. Ah, that's nice. This is I wonder, could I fit through there? I think there is some light in the tunnel, in the end of the tunnel. But yeah, I saw some light in the end of the tunnel. Might be doable. Not now. And I wouldn't like not to be alone doing that. Because that does seem so claustrophobic. Damn! That tree climbing, I don't know. Well, it is red. It's weird. That tree zapped the heat out of my hand like I don't know what. My hand got so cold it was hot. So, little trip is over. Tree climbed. Great success. Visibility is much better, but I'm tired. Not cold anymore. But it was fun. Till next time.